Welcome. Today I'm with AirPods Pro and I want to show you how to use the Find My application and how to use the sound signaling with AirPods Pro. So for the first we have to open the AirPods Pro case to connect them to the iPhone, and now we have to move to the Find My application. As you can see, there are our AirPods, so enter, and for example, if you drop the right AirPod, you can click on the play sound, and as you can hear, the right AirPod is making a signal, so you can track him and just put the back on the case. You can of course do the same for the left or just for the both. And yeah, this is how it works. I hope that I help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.